Hey guys, welcome back for another ThredUP mystery box unboxing. Today we have another designer one. I bought two at the same time. I've already done one and it was a pretty amazing box. I will link it up above. I will link it up above. It was pretty good. This is actually the third total one I've had of the designer ones. I have recently gotten a couple of Rent the Runway retiree boxes as well. They were good. They weren't as good as the designer boxes. The average cost of goods on those was about $10 to $11. On these, it's more like $17, $18 a piece after tax. But yeah, so these are $120 plus tax. The shipping is free because it's over the $75 or $79 threshold that they offer for free shipping. These actually came from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. This is the DIY DKK. They number or letter their boxes so they know, I guess, how many they have. I don't know. Recently I've seen people get some of the newer boxes and they have these little green tags, almost like a zip tie, big zip tie. I wonder how they're keeping track of those. I wonder if it's for counting purposes, so people, they know if somebody's lying about possibly not getting, you know, so many items. I don't know. I really don't know what it means. So if you know for sure, let me know. But this is actually a bigger box than the last one. So I'm kind of expecting some bigger stuff. Like I said, it's $120 for the 7 items plus the tax. First off, it's a huge box. Ooh, these are Chanel. It's a Chanel box. The box is labeled Black Suede Mid-Heel 2013. So this lady, whoever had this, even put the year so we know approximately how old they are. The original price was about $1,100. It says it's a size 37. Alright, so let's see what we got. Ooh, these are pretty. Really pretty. They're suede. And they've got like the embossed Chanel logo. But problem I see with these is that there's no zipper. There's nothing for you to loosen them to actually get them on. The bottoms are a little worn. I mean, I think I could still sell them for quite a bit. I might actually send these to the Real. Might clean them up. I'm going to get my first box together this week for them. There's a little bit of uneven wear on the back. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, let me see. Let me see if I can try these on. It's my size, a 7. But I have a slightly wide foot towards the front. So I really need that zipper or the elastic, and there's neither of these on there. I don't want to hurt them. They're so nice. Oh, I got my foot in there. Barely, but I did. Ooh, they're really, really cute. Oh my gosh. I can't keep them. Just like I can't keep the Saint Laurent glasses from the last box. Oh my god, they're my size. You know, I used to do storage auctions back in the day, and I come across this pod auction, and there's just some boxes. It looks like office stuff, and this lady had apparently had gotten a divorce from her husband, who is semi-famous. I don't need to say their names, but they got a divorce, and I guess she couldn't afford the payments on the pods anymore because there was a box that was labeled. She had some really nice stuff. Linux dishes, like expensive dishes, Yadro figurines, Swarovski crystal figurines, all kinds of stuff. Like, I'm still selling that stuff. I still have a whole bunch. It was like the thing that really got me into reselling. But there was a box labeled granny shoes. I mean, she may have been a grandma, but I sold several of those shoes, and I kept a pair of Chanel booties that were like patent, and oh my God, I cannot find them for the life of me. I've moved like 3 or 4 times since then, and I had packed them up with my closet stuff, and I have yet to see them again. And I bet at one point maybe some of the movers kept some of our stuff. I don't know. I'm guessing that's what happened, because we have been through these boxes multiple times. But I sold a bunch of Christian Louboutin shoes. There was some Christian Dior's. I mean, I made some money on those shoes, like $200 something a piece on eBay before I really even knew what I was doing. Like, luckily I put them on auction, and I had a bidding war for some of them. But yeah, so that's the story of how I got started in reselling. It's through storage auctions. I kind of sold those things on eBay, kept some stuff for myself, and then I'm wishing that I would have sold those Chanel booties then. But they were, oh my God, they were the black quilted booties too. Oh, but yeah, they're super, super cute. Let's look at the other one. Really, really good condition, other than that uneven wear on the bottoms. I wonder what Real would do about that. But yeah, originally $1,100 shoes. So that's starting with a bang. You know what? I might want to take off the other shoe because now I'm uneven. So, okay, here's the lid. A little messed up though. Train. Sorry, there's a train. Now I had to compensate for my height. Sorry about that. It's loud. Which the train's loud anyway, so. Ooh. YSL. It's Yves Saint Laurent. This is a white vest. I mean, this is a white blouse. Any flaws? There's a little bit of discoloration. Like right here. I don't know if you can see through all those little wrinkles. It's just got that bow front. Oh yeah, there's some in the back as well. There. Sorry for my dirty nails. I work at the post office. I'm a full-time postal clerk, for all who don't know that. So this is just something I do on the side. And there is, oh no, that's just fuzz. But yeah, YSL. This is made in Italy. I don't know size. Oh wait, here it is. It is an F44. So there should be 7 items total. Ooh, this feels good. This is a Diane von Furstenberg. It's a size 2, 100% cotton, made in Italy. This feels really nice. It is a belted dress. Buttons all the way down. It's got the tie belt. That's really nice. It's not a wrap dress, I don't think. Yeah, it's not a wrap dress. I don't think. Is it? No. Ooh, look at those like panels. The pleated paneling. That's awesome. This is really pretty. I wonder if I could find some stock photos for this stuff. Where are you? This is an M by Missoni. This is a stretchy. Ooh, this is very sporty. Those colors are awesome. They kind of remind me of some of the Tory Burch stuff. But yeah, it is just like a stretchy knit sleeveless dress. This is gorgeous. Oh, the size tag is cut out. That's why ThredUP didn't take it. They don't take anything that doesn't have a size tag. So I feel bad for this person who sent this in and kind of missed out on it, but you should kind of know that ThredUP doesn't take items that there's not a size tag in it. Or I think they can take stuff that's unbranded. They can just mark it as unbranded, or I don't know. But the no size tag is something that they don't do. Alright, so another Diane von Furstenberg. These are size 2, and these are awesome. Why? Because there's a DVF pocket on the back. It is gold embroidered. These are very stretchy. Any flaws? None that I can see. Ooh, it's even got the DVF button on the front. These are freaking cool. I know that her wrap dresses and stuff are what she's really famous for, but my goodness. So, you know, everybody usually gets either a long chomp bag or Salvador Ferragamo shoes, and I got the Ferragamo shoes. But they're kind of cool. They're like a metal. It almost reminds me of like a really tight springs. It's dirty on the bottom. But they're just patent heels. They've got a little bit of ridges from the bend. These are a size... I don't know what size you are. I don't know. It just says made in Italy. They're pretty dirty. Pretty worn. Maybe I can get like 40, 50 bucks for them. I don't know. But they're kind of cool. I don't really see any major flaws in the pattern. There's a couple of tiny scuffs. But I think that everyone says you can take acetone and it'll take some of the scuff out of the pattern. Okay, and looks like I got one item left. It's a wallet. And it is Burberry. Burberry. It's really nice too. It's in great condition. It says Burberry, London, England. And then there's the little thing right there as well. Any money in it? Darn. No money. I'll take it though. Burberry. It is like I can't tell. Is it brown? Is it black? It's black, I believe. Yeah, it's black. It's a black one. Yeah, really good condition. All of the edge coating. Oh wait, I take that back. There's some right there at the fold, but this might be a project piece because I had ordered, what is that? What is it called? The edge coating, but I ordered it through a company out of Italy. I have to put their name above if I can't remember right off the top of my head. What is it? Hold on. Giardini. Okay, the company from out of Italy is called Giardini. They have the really, I did some research. So I researched some of the other one, the actual edge coating, and then some of the other ones we use that are here in the US. And from what I read, some of them, like when you bend it, it starts to peel again. So I read really good things about this Giardini online. Somebody used it in one of their YouTube videos, and then I researched it. Their customer service is amazing, and it was right when the pandemic hit that I ordered, and so it got shut down. Their borders got shut down. They couldn't ship anything out right away. But as soon as their borders opened back up, they messaged me. They shipped it out express. I got it within like a couple of days. And they didn't charge me anything extra. So like I said, their customer service is amazing. I'm always getting emails with them. I'm always getting emails from them with like ideas, like creative ideas and all that good stuff. But yeah, I might make this a project piece because I do have some black leather edge coating to peel it off first, and then we'll start from scratch, just right around there. Say, repair this Burberry wallet. Box fell. Anyways, 7 items. Let me make sure there's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 amazing items, and I will definitely make my money back between the wallet and the Chanel shoes. Just, I mean, yeah, and then some. And then the rest, yeah, for sure. But yeah, thumbs up. If you like reseller content like this, unboxings, mystery boxings, then be sure and hit that like button and subscribe so YouTube will notify you when I post another video. I don't post often. My goal is to do it maybe once a week. Like I said, I do work a full-time job at the post office. I am a postal clerk. I work about 60 hours a week on average, especially right now during Christmas coming up, and one of our clerks just quit this last week, so I'll probably be covering her even more. Definitely a lot of overtime. So I'm trying to make all these videos in one day. I have a 10-day annual leave this week. It's my birthday on Veterans Day. So if I mention it, it's like November and I don't get posted till December, that's why. So, but anyways, I do work a lot. This kind of gets pushed to the, the back burner some, but it's fun, and I like to find really nice stuff in these designer boxes. I try to pick them up as soon as, whenever I see them, and I grabbed 2 this last time. So like I said, I will post a link to that one above, and be sure and stay on the lookout for any I have in the future. I will, if I hadn't already, I'll be posting the Rent the Runway boxes, their unboxings, and I did a couple of fun boxes as well. So anyways, y'all have a great day, and we'll see you later. Bye.